Hey everybody, it's Glade McCombs with Exit Realty Affinity. Here's your real estate market update for August 2021. First, let's review the overall numbers from June. The Utah real estate market is still robust. Homes are selling at the highest price on record. Between January to July of 2021, the average price for a single-family home in Utah has gone from $411,000 to $510,000. That is an impressive increase of over 24%. Since June of 2020, property values in Utah have risen almost 32%. To put that in perspective, the average increase in property values per year in Utah is around 8%. The average increase in property values in the United States over the same 12-month period was 14.5%. Why is this important to the Utah typical homeowner? It means that your equity in the home you were living in just took a huge jump. For the typical home, the equity increase from the rise in Utah housing prices is an impressive $145,000 just in 1 year. Is there any question that purchasing a home is one of the best investments you can make? Home sales are still brisk, with the average home going under contract in about 6 days. Many homes are still receiving multiple offers, allowing the homeowners to choose the best terms and price when they sell their home. As for the number of home listings on the market, the fourth quarter of 2020 had the lowest number of new homes listed of any previous period since the fourth quarter of 2015. However, since the first quarter of the year, there have been a sharp increase in the number of home listings, rising to more than 14% increase. One notable statistic is the average sale price compared to the listing price of homes on the market. In June of this year, homes sold at an average of 5% above list price. In July, the average home sold for 3.4% above list price. This is especially significant since the listing prices are some of the highest list prices we have ever seen in our market. Home builders are aggressively building single-family and multifamily homes at record paces. The number of building permits issued has risen steadily since the housing market crash, which started in 2006. From January through March of 2021, with 1,659 permits issued, Utah County has the highest number of detached single-family building permits of any other county in Utah, followed by Washington County at 862, Salt Lake County at 698, Davis County with 405, and Weber County at 187. The fastest growing city according to the number of building permits issued is Eagle Mountain, followed by St. George, Saratoga Springs, Washington, and South Jordan. Saratoga Springs has seen the largest increase in construction permits for single-family homes from 2020 to 2021, with an increase of almost 163%. The increase in prices for construction materials and labor doesn't seem to have slowed the pace of construction. With the high demand for housing in both single-family and multifamily housing, and with Utah being the fastest growing state in the United States, the fever pitch of construction projects will continue into the foreseeable future. Over the pandemic period, remodeling and additions have skyrocketed, likely due to the improvement projects that were started because residents were bored to tears during the lockdown. This also means that many homeowners wanted a better environment to occupy during the pandemic shutdown. Utah's dynamic and growing economy is also a huge factor in the rising housing prices and high demand for housing in every housing sector. Utah's economy ranks number 1 among all 50 states according to rankings released by U.S. News and World Report. The June unemployment rate in Utah ranked at number 2 lowest in the U.S. at 2.7%, just below Nebraska. The average U.S. employment rate is more than double that of Utah. Here is the bottom line. If you are planning to move in the future, this is the best time ever to sell your home in Utah. If you are thinking of buying but think you might want to wait a bit longer until prices fall a bit, think again. The people who bought their home in January of this year have gained almost 25% in equity gain over the last 8 months, an impressive $110,000. With ultra-low interest rates, more houses on the market, and the rising prices for homes on the market, now is the time to buy or sell properties in Utah. As always, if you are thinking of investing in real estate, new or resale, residential or commercial, give me a call. If you have any questions about the market, I would be happy to help. My name is Glade McCombs, your Utah Realtor. It's time to stop dreaming and time to start living your dreams.